Assalamualaikum. Hello, do you know what a floating market is? Here I represent from group A. I want to explain about the history and background of the floating market. For more details, let's see the following video. The floating market is one of several icons in the city of Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan. In the surrounding Banjarmasin, there are two famous floating markets, the Muara Queen Floating Market and the Siring Floating Market. The Muara Queen Floating Market is located above the Barito River, Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan, while the Siring Floating Market is located above the Martapura River. The floating market has existed since the 14th century, before Banjar Kingdom was founded. The original purpose of the existence of a floating market was to make it easier for traders, because the Banjarmasin area has many rivers. The floating market has been getting busier since the founding of the Banjar Kingdom, with the ascension of Prince Samudra as king by the Pati, pioneered by the Pati still in 1526. The floating market is not an important asset for the royal capital. The main attraction of the floating market is, of course, the transaction activities between sellers and buyers, which are carried out on a jukung. The Muara Queen Floating Market is located on the Martapura River, which has a length of 600 kilometers, a width of 100 meters, an average depth of 10 meters, and a receding river depth of 4 meters. The watershed of the Martapura River has an area of 453.88 square kilometers, or 45,388 hectares, with the main river, which flows out of the river. The Riam Kanan River passes through the city of Martapura, with a length of 36,566 meters, and if it is calculated including its tributaries, it has a total length of 375.91 kilometers. So the river density level is 0.828 kilometers or square kilometers. Suppose there are approximately 50 traders who sell in the Muara Queen Floating Market. The floating market is one of the reverse economic activities in Banjarmasin, supported by quantitative data which was carried out with in-depth interview with a number of selected sources, field observation and questionnaires, so that data were obtained showing that 1. The development of a floating market was unsuccessful due to a change in the orientation of the community and the construction of engineered floating market by the government. 2. The community and traders want government order in any floating market economic development. 3. There are several factors that influence the development of floating market, such as weak government policy to the constraints of the COVID-19 pandemic faced by traders. However, until now, the Queen Floating Market still has a high cultural value so that it can survive and is still widely visited. Because there are still many visitors who come, there is interaction between traders and buyers, so that research is carried out that aims to explore the social interaction of floating market traders. The research used is qualitative approach. 1. The interaction process that takes place among traders in the floating market is an association process, which is a form of cooperation and accommodation for the form of cooperation, including the community participating in supplying merchandise to traders in the floating market. Please help lift merchandise and others. 2. There are 7 forms of social interaction that occur in floating market traders, namely telling stories, mutual cooperation, barter system, helping to lift merchandise, solving problems, amicably and independently, and competition between traders. 3. The value of social interaction that occur in the Moroccan floating market traders include the value of independence, and the value of harmony, the value of agreement, the value of helping, the value of mutual assistance, the value of kinship, the value of volunteerism, the value of creative, the value of caring for the environment, and the value of honesty. The existence of a floating market is an application of the adaptation of the major community to the environment in the form of a river. The floating market is an important means of supporting the regional economy. Poor facilities, the rise of modern markets, and the existence of pandemic have made the floating market less active. To overcome this, a creative thoughts can make the floating market more attractive to visitors. In addition to promoting tradition and culture can also make the market exist. I am very grateful for the audience. Great attention to my pidato. I sincerely apologize if in my speech there are delivery or words that feel inappropriate. In the hearts of the audience, I wish you a good morning and I hope we all have a glorious day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.